Hi everyone, this is Charlton from Tutorialized 360. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure the software named Xampp. In this tutorial we will discuss about the following. 1. How to download Xampp. 2. Disable, deactivate first the antivirus before installation. 3. Deactivate UAC or user account control. 4. Run the Xampp X file. 5. Start the startup wizard. 6. Choose software components to install. 7. Choose the installation directory. 8. Start the installation process. 9. Windows firewall blocking. 10. Complete the installation. 11. Run the Xampp. 12. Final configuration. And lastly, test the Xampp installation. If it encounters some errors in the installation process, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. To jump around this video, feel free to use the timestamps down below. Now, before we start, we need to know some short information about Xampp. Why this software is of great help for the software developers and of the programmers. And it is completely free. Yes, it is free. It is an open source software. You can use it free of charge. Here is what Xampp means and stands for. X stands for operating system that works with Linux, Windows and Mac OS. OS stands for Apache. Apache is a web server where programming codes are located and managed in a platform like PHP, Perl, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and many more. M stands for MySQL or MariaDB where the database is located and managed. P stands for PHP and Perl, the scripting languages of programming. Now, we will start installing the Xampp. In this tutorial the length of installation may differ depending on the speed of your internet and how fast computer is to where the software is being installed. Step 1. Download the new release or stable version of the Xampp software. Open your browser and type apachefriends.org and look for the download menu and click download. Now, select the Xampp that fits to your operating system. The installer can be downloaded in 32 bits and 64-bit format in Windows, Linux and Mac OS operating system. Step 2. Deactivate first the antivirus software. Since antivirus will affect the installation process, it will block and delete the installation file of the software. It is recommended to temporarily pause or disable temporarily the antivirus upon installation. Setup 3. Deactivate UAC. UAC stands for User Account Control. UAC interfere the Xampp installation because it limits the writing access rights on drive. See if your login account is an administrator account. Skip this step. Number 3. Rather, right-click on run.x of the software and click Run as administrator. Step 4. Run X file. Double on the file with their X extension. Step 5. Start the setup wizard. After you click there X file, a startup screen will appear. Click Next to proceed to next installation process. Step 6. Choose software components to install to fully function the software. 7. Choose the installation directory and select the folder location C:\Xampp. Now, click Next to proceed to the next process. Step 8. Start the installation process. From there, start the installation setup wizard. The setup wizard will unpack and install the selected components. The process can take several minutes or more. Keep an eye on the green loading bar as the installation progress. Step 9. Windows firewall blocking. Complete the installation. Once all the components are unpacked and installed, you need to close the setup wizard by clicking Finish. Step 11. Run the Xampp. Click the Xampp software icon, then a Xampp control panel start screen will appear and pop up. Since two modules are required to run the softwares develop, the Apache and the MySQL. Click Start of the two modules on the control panel. You should see that Apache and MySQL is highlighted as green. If that's so, Xampp is full functional. If it is red, there is a conflict with other softwares that using the same port. For Apache port, it is port 80 and 443. For MySQL port, it is port 3306. Step 12, Final configuration. If all ports and all system and modules are up and running. Now let's finalize the system. Where to put the system file. Where to put the database. In the file system C:\\Xampp\docs, C:\\Xampp\docs, move or transfer all the file to the folder named dashboard and keep the index.php file. Now, you can see on dashboard and index.php in main folder of docs, or other way around. Which I use is delete all the files and folder inside that docs. My reason is that, only system can be seen in the docs that is named on the specific system and all system there is listed. Now let's test the Xampp installation. Things to consider when using the Xampp. Here, a system name posf1.1. Copy this folder to this docs. On the Xampp control panel, click Explore, and click the folder docs, and paste the folder posf.1. There. Next open the fmyadmin through this link, localhost/phpMyAdmin. Now, click Databases, paste the database name, .of_zal, and then click Create. Next click Import. Click Choose File. Locate the file located in Drive C. Click folder name Xampp. Click Docs, click folder name POS version 1.0, click folder name Database, click the SQL file named .of_sale, then click Open and click Go on the lower right portion of the page. The database is successfully imported to phpMyAdmin. On the left navigation pane, now you can see. Now let's test if the system POS version 1.0 is successfully linked to the database. Check if there are errors popping up on the upper portion of the page. And in this case, we don't encounter error. Alright. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, to see more tutorial videos like these in the future, make sure to hit the subscriber button. If you like to learn more tutorial or new topics in this channel, hit the notification bell. You are being notified when I uploaded a new videos, thus you are updated for my new uploads. Alright, that's all I have for you today.